Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and I am super excited for this video because look at what I have right here. This is Anthracite Grey HyperDip. This is the second color to launch in our HyperDip line. First was Shadow Black earlier in 2020, and now we have our second most popular aerosol color in HyperDip, Anthracite Grey. It looks badass. I cannot wait to show you guys. Enjoy the video. So we're going to be spraying our M3 wheels today in the Anthracite Grey HyperDip. And this here is the Anthracite Grey HyperDip wheel kit. It includes everything you need to get the job done. It includes 5 cans of the Anthracite Grey HyperDip, a can of pre-dip spray, which is what we're going to use to clean the surface of the wheel, dip release to treat the outside tire wall to make peeling the excess very easy, brake masking bags, and a microfiber towel. Now, as far as prepping and masking the wheel, very easy, very similar to how you would do it if you're dipping with Plasti Dip. However, spraying the product is where the technique changes a little bit. You're going to do 2 lighter tack coats to allow the product to set up. Then we're going to go in to our wet coats. However, you're not going to pool the product up heavy and wet the way you would with Plasti Dip in order to get it to dry smooth, because HyperDip has excellent self-leveling properties. So we're going to do lighter, faster passes to let the coating wet itself out. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are done with the wheels, and they look absolutely perfect. Once you spray HyperDip on a set of wheels or trim or emblems, it is impossible to go back. It is so flat, so smooth, so slick to the touch. It's so much more of a paint-like finish. HyperDip is as good as peelable aerosols can get. Now, if you want to spray your own wheels in HyperDip Anthracite Grey, it's super simple. Just click right up here. It'll bring you to the exact same HyperDip Anthracite wheel kit that we used today, and it includes everything you need to to get the job done. If you have any questions about dipping in general, just contact us at DYC. We'll do everything we can to get you answers to any questions that you have. And if you're new to the channel and you want to know more about what HyperDip is as a product line, there's a link in the description box below to the HyperDip launch video, and it goes into it in a little bit more detail. Let's go outside, check out these wheels. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video. Now, a lot of you guys have already heard about HyperDip. It's been out for several months now. When the f did HyperDip come out? A can of pre-dip spray, which we're gonna use to clean the surface of the wheel. Dip release to treat the outside of the tire wall. Dip masking bags.